awareness. Awareness is the main thing in the world. How to live moment to moment in this world while you are walking, talking, everything. This is the main thing is awareness. And awareness you have to start. Take the breath from the left nose 36 times. As much as long you can do it, take a breath 36 times and release it. Take it and release it 36 times. 36 times. 36 times take a right breath, right side. Take a 36 times breath. Take and release as long as you can do it. After 36 breathing, and take a breath from the left side and release from the right side. After that 36 times, take a breath from the right nose and release from the left nose. After that, take it 36 times, take the breath from the left side and release from the right side. Take a breath from the right side and release from the left side. After 36 times doing it, and take it Vastrika Pranayam, just you breath just like a fire of breath. Your stomach should be up, through, back through and up, back through and ahead, back and ahead. 36 times. After finish it, you just sit down, bring your hand to the Jnana Mudra, and when the breath comes, you watch and aware to your breath, coming and going, coming and going. And see in the center of the third eye, and open your eyes, 20% open your eyes, and go up and just relax and open your eyes 20%, otherwise you will sleep. And doing it as much as you can do it. And if you want to join some name, any name with it, Vaheguru or Ram or Jesus, anything you can with combine it, not for a long time. You have to leave this name after 6 months or year, otherwise you can just, you have to watch the practice coming and going, coming and going while walking. After doing, you should do it 15 minutes, up to 1 hour, up to 2 hours, just sit down, spinal cord should be straight, and your focus should be on the third eye, and 20% your eye should be open. Just be a witness to the breath. Be aware to the breath. All of a sudden, if your death comes, you will be die in the awareness, and then it will be easy to take a neck birth or anything. You can't be die, because when you are doing this meditation, already you are died. You have seen the death. What is the death? You are died. If you do it 6 months, you need not be afraid of the death, because already you are. Meditation is a death. Next name is a death. And all the people you are doing meditation for half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hours, as much as you increase it, then this will, if you do just after finishing this, when you walk, you just watch yourself, what you are doing. You are doing this, your hand is going, you just aware that my hand is going. If you are eating something, you should watch to the glass of water and one sip to sip. If you are eating, if you are taking milk, watch it. If you are taking a step, watch it. If you are talking, what you are talking with other people, you aware it, what you are talking. It will be aware to the more and more. This is the right meditation. Lot of people has gone to the enlightenment in the world, like Buddhas, lot of the big persons. This awareness already is a name of death. Already you have seen the death. And while the meditation, daily after 3 months, You need not to be about what is the death, because already you have seen the death. Meditation itself is the next name of death. And this is daily you do it, just this practice, and after 6 months or 3 months you will find in your every action, whole life, you will be just the witness yourself, and what you are talking, sleeping and everything, you just be aware what you are doing, where you are going, watch your steps. You are driving the car, you should watch aware your handle, and you should awareness to the road, what you are seeing, and your focus should not be anywhere, and then you will be, your all thoughts will be stopped. No mind, you will become a no mind. When you are in a no mind, you are with the higher consciousness. You are living in a lower consciousness, then you come the middle, and then if you are after 6 months, you will go to the higher consciousness. You are tuning with the Lord. Because you have no mind and no thinking, all the thinking will go on different way, and then you are just in a one focus, just be aware in everything. You will find it and you will see it within 6 months, you will be a different person in the world. And this is the art of living, how to live moment to moment in this world.